analyst Henok Gabisa. He's the co-chair of the International Oromo Lawyers Association, and he joins us now from New York. Welcome to the program, Henok. The official results show that William Ruto won by quite a narrow margin of 50.49%, and that result, as we heard, has been rejected by 4 of the 7 members of the Electoral Commission. Is that a decisive enough outcome that Kenyans should accept?
I think the result is a clear indication of how the country is divided in between 2 major ideologies that has been brought forward by Ruto and Raila Odinga. But it's also very important to clarify that the fact that the 4 members of the Election Commission sort of disagreed is not equivalent to nullifying the entire election. What they expressed disagreement with is a certain plethora or phase of the election, which does not, according to my opinion and majority of the existing opinion in the country, does not include the entire nullification of the election. So obviously there is a concern about the technicality of the result election. Kenya has built a tradition of judicial validation or invalidation of election results, and we know this from 2017. In that direction, this is a much better election than a few years ago that Kenya had. They had built experience, both in terms of resolving election dispute and one candidate conceding and rallying the entire nation behind the winner. So that's the existing situation in the country.
Yes, can I ask you about the legal recourse? Because Kenyan law allows for an election result to be challenged within 1 week. Do you expect the result to be challenged in Kenya's Supreme Court?
Yes, that's the overwhelmingly existing situation. We have heard from the members of the Election Commission indicating that those who are not satisfied, or the candidate that's not satisfied with the election result, has a door opened, which is going to the court, the Kenyan judicial system, the Supreme Court. So that's what is highly expected to be happening in the next few days. But most importantly, the candidate, particularly Raila Odinga, might have a leadership responsibility to cool down the country from escalating into unnecessary physical violence. I believe Kenya had enough violence since 2017 as a way of post-election violence. And to be honest, Kenya is a beacon of some democracy in the Horn of Africa that can be an anchor state. So resorting to the Kenyan Supreme Court is obviously the best way to go forward, not only for the country, but for the entire region of Horn of Africa.
Okay, Henok Gabisa, we will have to leave it there, but really good to get your analysis. Thank you for joining us.